Hey guys, it's Josh with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you our brand new 2026 Yamaha SX195. This boat just came in, comes with a trailer. It's got the painted single axle trailer. We've got this beautiful ocean or seafoam green color on the hull, black rub rail, stainless steel insert. We've got our pop-up cleats. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you a little more features. Hey guys, we're here at the back of the SX195. This is an awesome boat. Yamaha is known for their swim platforms. This is a great place to hang out. We've got our sea deck here on the back, makes it super comfortable and giving on your feet. Plenty of grab bars, a telescoping swim ladder, lots of cup holders back here as well. Great place to hang out when you're anchored up in a cove. As I mentioned, this is the 195, so we've got the supercharged 1.8 liter engine in this boat. Let's take a look inside. Hey guys, welcome aboard the SX195. As you can see, we've got a really nice area up here in the bow. Lots of seating up here, some grab bars. We got our Polk audio. Lots of storage underneath both of those seats, port and starboard, an anchor locker underneath that center seat. As we move back, you can see we've got a full windshield. You can always close this off if it's a windy day and you want to stay out of the wind. Here at the helm, we've got a really comfortable captain's chair with a flip-up bolster. We've got a tilt steering wheel. We've got our 5-inch Yamaha Connect screen that'll show all of your running stats and all of your data that you need to monitor while you're out there on the water. We've got a couple analog switches here for all of our accessories, our bilge pump and nav lights and courtesy lights, and our blower. We've got our wireless Bluetooth AM FM radio here, so you can listen to the music when you're out there on the lake. Binnacle's in a great spot, real easy to operate. As we move over here to the port side, we've got a really comfortable chair here, a nice little glove box to stow away some valuables in. Lots of storage underneath the console on both sides of this. It's going to come with a cooler and the bow filler cushions. We've got a nice little anchor locker, or I'm sorry, a ski locker in the center here. As we move back, we've got plenty of seating here in the back of the boat. Once again, more Polk audio, storage on both sides here. We've got a little snap that's in the way. We've got storage on both sides there, and then our engine compartment in the center. This boat does have a bimini top. So if you want to get out of the sun and get in the shade for a little bit, you can do that. If you have any questions about it or would like to come see it in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.